Today we are privileged to have Osho Prabhakarji with us. Guruji, welcome to India Aaj Tak. We would like to know, sir, about Osho Dhara's programs in India happening and how the Osho Dhara is getting people to divine experiences.
Osho Dhara programs are conducted in English also in all corners of India, and some programs are conducted in foreign countries also, in Canada, USA, Spain, Britain, Japan, South Korea, and some other countries are such places where our programs are regularly conducted in English. Our program, the first program, is very essential for every people, every country, every society, so they are also interested. And we are giving benefits of meditation and spiritual seeking to them also. The first program gives them self-confidence, freedom from anger, freedom from tension, freedom from confusion. They get some divine energy also, some blessings also, and by doing meditation, they get relieved of the tension in their life and some positive energy from the practice. They don't know what is meditation, so it is taught. Complete relaxation and body and mind is meditation. From several years, all the time, your mind is working. Your body gets some relief in your sleep during night hours, but your mind goes on working and working in sleep also. During daytime, the mind is involved in so many thoughts, so many directions, and in the night, the mind is involved in dreams. Those dreams are your thoughts. Your mind is never switched off. It goes on working and working, so it is exhausted. It is in tension. It creates so many confusion and so many noises. That noises are quarrels. That noises are defects in our daily life. So when they do meditation, they are relieved of the tension, and then they get real peace. Peace of mind is achieved through meditation in this age. Everybody is educated, everybody is in tension. So medicine is not treatment now. Tranquilizer is not treatment now. Meditation is now treatment, according to scientists also. So they are interested in our program, and besides meditation, we teach them some other techniques also, and real techniques of spiritualism. People are in miseries because they live in anger, they live in ego, they live in ambitions, they live in expectations, they live in traditions. We teach them how to adjust in this situation, in this tradition, in this age of necessity and miseries, and how to get success in life. So our program is beneficial for anybody, everybody, and for all societies. So in Osho Dhara, you can find people of every religion, every country, every tradition. We are open to all. And in a spiritual direction, where we get mental peace, we are unparalleled in the world.
Wow. So, sir, exactly you are getting Osho's teaching ahead, or Osho Dhara has some made implementations according to times?
Actually, the God is one. A religion is one. A spiritualism is one. Ways are different. Methods are different. Languages are different. Essence of religion is one. So all the religions are basically one. Experience of God is not different. Experience of everybody is the same. What Osho taught, he taught the same. What was taught by Lord Shiva thousands and thousands years ago. But Osho taught scientifically, Osho taught in modern language, Osho renovated the outdated methodology, so he was successful. So we are taking ahead in totality
Okay.
the old learnings and experiences of India, of our research and sense, the learnings, discoveries and findings of the modern science, and teachings of all saints, all research, Lord Gautam Buddha, Lord Mahavir, Paigambar Hazrat Muhammad, Jesus Christ, are all included in our program. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Sant Kabir Das Ji, Dadu Dayal Ji, Sant Mirabai, all are included in our program.
And Osho has left no one, no
Untouched.
topic. Yeah, untouched.
He has given light on the teachings of all in right direction, in right way. So, in one way, we are taking the teaching of Osho onward, forward. In other way, we are carrying the spiritualism in totality for everybody and every society.
So, sir, after Osho, how many years, like 20, 25 years after Osho, how response you are getting from, especially from Western countries?
It is good response. Initially, vicious propaganda was made against Osho. Wrong rumors were spread. Even now, some old sannyasis are spreading rumors and alleging wrong facts, putting on Osho. Actually, who read Osho, who heard Osho, who saw Osho, they are not in confusion. Now literate society is interested to go through the teachings of Osho. Now Osho is getting popular and popular every day, in every direction. Now you cannot search a person who is well educated and don't know Osho. Everybody now knows who is Osho, what he said. Some years ago, Sardar Khushwant Singh, the renowned journalist, had said that we could not follow Osho because he had come 100 years before time.
That is correct.
What Osho replied?
Yeah.
Osho replied, Sardar Khushwant Singh is correct. Every guru has to come before time because the society needs some time
Yeah.
to understand the teaching,
Okay.
to adopt the teaching, to practice the teaching,
Okay.
and to adjust with the teaching.
Good,
So actually I have come 100 years before time. He is right. So that is the problem, that was the problem, and with everybody this problem persists. Now also is acceptable in every direction, by every society. Everywhere he is taught, he is read,
Okay.
he is becoming popular day and day.
Most of people have changed their attitude. And, okay. So after the Oshodhara formed, like how many ashrams of Oshodhara have in India or out of India? Like
We
or
have
how many acharyas?
we have our headquarter in Murthal Ashram near Sonipat in Haryana.
Yeah.
Second ashram is in Madhopur in Punjab. Third ashram is in Nepal, Gangotri Dham near Sauraha National Park.
Yeah.
Fourth ashram is in Bihar, Oshodhara Sahajanand Dham Karma, the birthplace of our Sadguru Osho Siddhartha Ji. These are our ashrams. Besides the ashrams, we have some active centers
Yeah.
where every day meditation is taught,
Okay.
experienced.
Okay, Guruji, last question I would like to, sorry to interrupt. I would like to highlight some little points for common people for the blissful life.
Everybody needs meditation in the present age. Whatever he does, he should get some success. Without meditation, he cannot get mental peace. If he has no mental peace, he cannot do his work positively and can't concentrate in his works. So meditation is the key point in world also, in spiritualism also. So also said in his book, Dhyan Pratham or Antim Mukti. Meditation is the first and last freedom. So this is the key note from our side. You do meditation every day, you learn meditation from us, and you shall get life joyful, blissful, and then we shall help you in further direction in future.
Guruji, do you see some like Osho had discussed a lot about a new man to be born. So I think you are realizing the same dream. So do you think what is the current status of new man?
Right, it will take time.
Okay.
His dreams are to be fulfilled, but it will take time.
Okay.
As the humanity grows, as the education grows, as the science grows, so we shall realize those models, those dreams. But we are going in right direction,
Right direction.
and we should hope for better.
थैंक यू गुरुजी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने हमसे इतना टाइम निकाला, बात किया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आपको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद,
और आपका आशीर्वाद हमको चाहिए, इंडिया आज तक
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं सबों को निमंत्रण देता हूँ कि आप आकर टेस्ट करें, देखें कि हमारा कार्य कैसा है। कोई शर्त नहीं है, आप कभी भी कहीं भी आकर भाग ले सकते, और खुद आप अपने अनुभव से निष्कर्ष ले सकते कि आपको उस धारा में क्या मिलता है। बहुत धन्यवाद।